Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of 3 plus 5 tan 2x everything to the power of 2 dx. So I will show the technique how to answer. We need to expand this one and we can get the final result. We can separate this one into 3 integrals. We know that for this one we can get about 9s plus c. For this one we need to convert tan 2s into sine 2s over cosine 2s. Now we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to cosine 2s du equals to negative sine 2 and 2s ds. Because we don't have negative 2, so we divide both sides with negative 2. Now we need to change this integral. Sine 2s ds we change to du over negative 2. Cosine 2s we change to u. 30 divided by negative 2, you got about negative 15, and we have logarithm by e of absolute value of u. And we put this u equals to cosine 2s back to this one. And the last one, in here we can put 25 multiplied with the integral of 1 over cosine 2s to the power of 2 minus 1. Now we can find the final answer in here. The integral of 1 over cosine 2s in here, you will go about 1 over 2 multiplied with tan 2s. The integral of negative 1, you go about negative 25s, and we will about c. Now we need to combine the result everything. That's it. This one, and this one. After we calculate everything, we simplify. we have 9 minus 25 is about negative 60. And this is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.